In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Xero Australia. We'll walk through getting set up the right way so your books, tax settings, and day-to-day processes run smoothly. Start by signing up on the Xero website. You can begin with a free trial or choose a plan that fits your business size. Make sure you select the Australian region during sign-up so the correct tax features are available. Once your account is created and you're logged in, you're ready to configure your organization. Next, enter your business details for Australian compliance. Add your business name, legal trading name, and Australian business number. Then go to accounting settings, and financial settings. Confirm your country is set to Australia. Choose your GST accounting method, either cash or accruals, based on when you report GST. And set your GST calculation method, typically quarterly or monthly. Enter your tax file number, and if it applies to your business, configure PAYG withheld and PAYG income tax settings. While you're here, decide whether your sales and purchases will be tax inclusive or tax exclusive by default. Picking the right defaults now will save time when you start invoicing and entering bills. Xero provides a default chart of accounts, but it's worth tailoring it to your operations. Add or edit accounts to reflect your revenue streams and expense categories, and make sure each account has the correct GST type. For example, ordinary sales often use a standard GST code, while items like bank transfers and equity movements are generally not reportable for GST. Clear, consistent setup here helps your BS and reports line up with reality. Now connect your bank so transactions flow in automatically. Go to Accounting, then Bank Accounts, select Add Bank Account, search for your bank, and follow the prompts to set up a secure bank feed. This gives you daily imports and a real-time view of cash flow. If you're switching from another system, choose an appropriate start date to avoid duplicating historical data. If you employ staff, set up payroll. Configure pay items, superannuation, and leave, then opt in to single-touch payroll. You'll connect Xero to the ATO using your software ID and complete the authorization with the ATO. Ensure your legal business details in Xero, match what the ATO has on file. With the foundations in place, start your day-to-day, create professional online invoices, and add payment services to get paid faster. Use the Xero mobile app to capture receipts and record expenses on the go. Reconcile regularly by matching bank statement lines to transactions in Xero so your books stay accurate and BS time is painless. That's it. Your Australian Xero setup end to end.